Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to our beginners video series. In this episode, we are going to see how to see recently deleted messages on iPhone. From the messages application, if you have deleted any messages that you have received or sent, then that specific message content will be available in the recently deleted messages folder that you can access by tapping on the filters at the top left corner. So here you can see the filters option. When you tap on it, you can see various SMS filter options that you want to quickly access, some financial transactions or any shipping and orders transactions that you want to access quickly, and any event reminders and promotions, everything can be filtered and accessed quickly from this SMS filter section. So below that you have the junk folder, and as the last option you have the recently deleted folder, which you can access your deleted messages from. The important thing that you should know about the deleted messages, like after deleting a message, once the message moved to the recently deleted folder, it will be available for 40 days for you to access. After that, that message won't be able to recovered. It will be permanently deleted automatically. So before that, if you want to recover any particular message, you can simply tap on that tick mark, or you can select multiple messages simply by swiping on the selection box, and you need to tap on recover to put the message back to inbox folder. Once you delete it from here, once you perform the delete action, this message will be permanently deleted, and you cannot recover it even with any file recovery softwares or messages recovery software. I don't want to waste your time recommending any softwares that claims to recover deleted messages from your iPhone or iPad. Once the message permanently deleted from this section, as far as I understand, it is not possible to recover at all, because due to the strong encryption at disk level, and each and every content that you have on your iPhone and iPad are not easy to recover with the applications available right now in the market for consumers. So make sure to check twice or thrice before deleting the message permanently from the recently deleted folder. And even if you have the iMessages for cloud feature on, then the same rules are applicable. Once the message has been deleted, it will be moved to the recently deleted folder, and from there you can access up to 40 days. You can recover or delete it permanently based on your privacy requirement. I hope this video helped you to get a better understanding about how to see recently deleted messages on iPhone and iPad. Thanks so much for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. If you find this video useful, you may share it with your friends on social media. Thank you and have a wonderful day.